Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've already shot RAW. Now act. Import and flag the sharpest frame, then crop close to the subject to eliminate distractions and improve composition. Once cropped, enable lens corrections and profile corrections to remove distortion and vignetting. Set white balance using the eyedropper on a neutral patch or nudge temp/tint until skin tones or petals look natural. These initial steps remove technical issues, so subsequent edits change aesthetics rather than fix mistakes. Now refine tone and texture for clarity. Start with exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and whites/blacks to create a balanced base. Make small moves and check histogram. Once done, add texture for fine detail, clarity for mid-tone punch, and a touch of dehaze if needed. Do this sparingly to preserve delicate macro surfaces. For detail, apply noise reduction first, then sharpen with masking so only edges sharpen. Use a local adjustment brush for selective dodging or increasing sharpness on the subject. Finish by dialing color and preparing the file for output. Use HSL to refine specific hues, reduce distracting background saturation, and increase the subject's color luminance to pop detail. Apply subtle color grading or split toning to set mood, then add final global sharpening tailored to the output size and choose export quality and resolution. If you see unwanted blur or softness, check the original focus and apply more selective sharpening with a small brush. If noise appears, slightly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.